it's Aisha and I am a 12th pass student and I am here to tell you all few things I wish I knew after 10th. This would be a helpful video though. Let's get started. Alright, first things first. जैसे ही आपका 10th हो जाता है, people come to you, they rush to you, they ask you how was the papers, and the next question is what are you gonna do आगे. Dude, वो बच्चा 16 साल का है एंड उसने अभी अभी अपना 10th दिया है. बोर्ड्स दिस डेज आर नॉट ईजी एंड उसके बाद तुम तुरंत उससे पूछ रहे हो कि वो अभी के अभी डिसाइड कर ले कि उसके आगे क्या करना है. आई अंडरस्टैंड that a person, an individual should have a future vision, should have a clearer future vision. लेकिन when you're so busy with all that boards things with yourself, how can you be so focused to see that what can I take, what fields do I have, and what options do our country has, or the society, the middle class society, what options it gives you, right? You are not told to make your own thing. They just gave you some options and you need to just choose out of them. Engineering, medical, UPSC and CA maybe. So hands down this 4 options से ज़्यादा ऐसे बहुत रेयर केसेस होती है या बहुत कम जगह होती है या बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जिन्हें इन चारों के अलावा और कुछ ऑप्शंस एक्सप्लोर करने मिलते हैं. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, तुम्हें किसी भी चीज़ की गड़बड़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. जस्ट सिट विथ योर सेल्फ एंड आफ्टर गिविंग बोर्ड्स डोंट फ्रीक आउट कि मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है. डोंट रश इन टू थिंग्स. You can take your time, you can sit, you can breathe, you can relax, and then you can decide. Secondly, no need to go where everyone else is going. You can make a path for yourself even if you're 16. You can do it. You need to just believe in yourself. You yourself are capable to make a path for yourself with a clearer future vision. And third thing, ऐकावे जनाचे पण करावे मनाचे means सुनो जग की करो मन की. And that's what you need to really learn at the age of 16, because there will be people around you who will tell you stuff and you need to listen, like being, if you're like me, a people pleaser, so you need to listen to people. You need to just listen and be like, okay, I'll look into it. But you need not. आपको जो सही लगे वही करना है, बिकॉज देर आर पीपल जो आप हो सकता है कि वो आपके भले के लिए बोल रहे हो, लेकिन वॉट इफ दैट फील्ड और दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज नॉट फॉर यू. लाइक वॉट इफ you don't want to? So unless and until you don't want to, don't get into it. Next thing, it's about friendships. When after 10th, school friends get completely detached. Maybe if you guys are together, you will stay. But स्कूल फ्रेंड्स की बात ही अलग होती है, बिकॉज दे आर देयर टिल 10th. लाइक 10 साल का वो पूरा लेंथ हो जाता है, वो पूरा पैसेज हो जाता है एक. लेकिन उसके बाद you don't need to, you get new friends, you start to make new friends at new place maybe or in the same place. So there you need to be very 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 conscious while making friends, because there are many people these days who are snakes. I had seen this image somewhere in which there are 2 friends and the other one is holding a hand from back and that snake image. So indirectly there are many people and many friends in this world who will be the snakes in your life. And at the age of 16, 17, it's really tough to find that who is good for you and who is not. So it's better you maintain a quality friendship, not a quantity friendship, because 11th में वो groups बनना and वो इट्स लाइक अभी अभी मेरा 10th हुआ, जो मैंने बोला दैट यू नीड टू रिलैक्स एंड यू नीड टू ब्रीथ एंड that's okay, you need to do that, but in a positive way. You don't need to go into all that negative things and only do fun. You need to be serious about your future also, but not too serious about taking stress. And choose friends wisely, because quality matters, quantity doesn't. Next, last thing, when you are passed out after 10th, you just think that, oh my god, freedom, independence, not. But keep it in your mind that you need to keep the connect with your family, because if something goes wrong, they will be the ones who will come to you to save you, to give you that comfort, safe space, not the others. And there is a famous saying कि जब मुसीबत आ पड़ती है तो अपने आते हैं, बाहर वाले नहीं. सो यू नीड टू लुक इनटू दिस कि घर वालों से कनेक्ट बनाए रखना ज़रूरी है. इवन इफ़ यू गो आउट समवेयर फ्रॉम योर होम टाउन, और इफ़ यू आर स्टेइंग इन योर होम टाउन विथ योर फैमिली, you need to still keep a connect with your family. You need to sit with them, chat with them. You need to maintain that family friendly relationship with each and every one of your family, because it's needed. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully. Like, share and subscribe.